Welcome back to the channel. If you are working on graphic design projects, you know that importing images correctly into Inkscape is an essential skill to save time and maintain quality. In today's video, I am going to walk you through exactly how to import and insert images into your Inkscape documents, explain the difference between embedding and linking, and show you how to manage them like a pro. Whether you are working with PNGs, JPEGs, or even SVGs, this guide will cover everything you need. If this tutorial helps you streamline your workflow, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more design tips. Let's jump right in. To start, make sure you have your Inkscape document open and your image file ready in your computer folder. The most standard way to bring an image in is by heading over to the File menu at the top left and selecting Import, or by simply using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+I on your keyboard. Once the dialog box appears, navigate to your file, select it, and click Open. A pop-up window will appear asking for the image import type. This is important. Choosing Embed saves the actual image data inside your Inkscape file. This is your best choice if you are planning to share the file with others or move it to a different computer, as the image will travel with the file. Alternatively, choosing Link saves just a reference to the file location on your computer. This keeps your project file size very small, but beware, if the original image file is moved or deleted, it will break the link inside your Inkscape document. Next, look at the image rendering priority. If you are importing a photograph, choose None, which provides a smooth result. If you are working with pixel art or sharp technical graphics, select Blocky to optimize the speed and maintain crisp edges. Once you select your preferences, click OK to bring the image onto your canvas. Now, here is a pro tip. While the menus are great, you can also just drag and drop an image file directly from your folder onto the canvas. Once your image is placed, you'll want to position it. Use the selection tool by pressing S on your keyboard to move your image around. To perfectly center it on your workspace, open the Align and Distribute panel using the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+A. Make sure the Relative To setting is set to Page, and then use the alignment buttons to snap it into place. If you ever need to replace a linked image with an updated version, just right-click the existing image and select Image Properties to update the file path without starting over. Remember the shortcuts Ctrl+I for importing, S for your selection tool, and Ctrl+Shift+A for alignment. Mastering these simple steps will make your design process much smoother. I hope this video helped you get started with Inkscape. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tutorials.